Hey guys, for ELD this week, we're going to travel around the world. Our first stop for today is Brazil. So each day this week, we'll learn about another country and how they celebrate the holiday season. So what I need you to do right now is, as you're watching my directions, the substitute can stop and pause and allow you to follow along. So I'm going to show you where to find the file that you will need. So right now everyone's going to go to Google Classroom. Going to make sure you clicked on classwork. You're going to find this week's date, week of December 14th through the 18th. And you're going to find the file that says Monday, December 14th, Brazil. Once you find it, click on it, and as you click on it, I'll read the directions. It says, follow the directions on the video that I show you. That's this video right here. Find the answers on the website for the two questions. Type your answers in the slide. Make sure you start with capitalization, write in complete sentences, use text evidence, and end with the correct punctuation. When you are finished, click Turn It In. Please know that this is due today by 3:30. So if you don't finish now, you will have to finish during your independent work time. So I'm going to click on the slides and I'm going to tell you what to do. So stop number 1 is Brazil. Welcome to Brazil. On slide 3, it says your first stop is in South America. You will visit a small town in Brazil called Gramado. This city was settled by the Azorean people, and later Portuguese, German, and Italian immigrants arrived. This town has a Bavarian feel because of the German influence. And if you look on our map, South America, and you see the star, that's where we are going. So what you'll do on your computer is you're going to click right here, Gramado, Brazil. So if you click on it, you'll notice that this pops up. Click on the Google Earth link. Once you're there, give it just a minute. And it will come up and it'll take us to Brazil. Now we're there. You can zoom in. You click the plus sign right there. You can zoom in. Here's Gramado. And if you notice right here, it tells you a little bit more about it. So you can click on that and you can explore right there as well. So it tells you a little bit about it. So you can click on it and explore it. You can go to the next one. Keep clicking the arrow and you can read about it, okay? The substitute will give you about 3 or 4 minutes to explore this. You need to stay on Brazil right here, not searching other places on Google Earth. After your about 3 minutes are up, you're going to go back to the file. Notice I just clicked over and it was right there. I'm going to go to the next slide. Natal Luz. Natal Luz is an annual celebration held in Gramado, Brazil. Watch this video to learn more. Be sure to turn on closed captioning for subtitles in English. So this video is in Portuguese because that is the predominant language spoken in Brazil. So you want to make sure, and it should automatically come up, that when you click on this, you will see closed captioning. You should see it. So you're going to click on this, and you're going to watch, okay?
3 em 3 está hoje aqui em Gramado para mostrar como é o Natal.
Oops, it won't let me pause it and let you see it because I put it in SafeTube. But you'll notice that the words are coming up in English even though they're speaking Portuguese. So just watch that. Then you're going to go to the next slide, and it says now click on the link to head to the festival. The link is right here. You will use the website to search for answers to the questions found on the next slide. Be sure to translate to English when the pop-up bar appears. I will show you what you do. So you're going to click on the event website, then click on this link right here, and it should automatically come up and say Portuguese and English, and I don't think any of us can speak Portuguese, so you want to click English right there, okay? And look, it's now in English, not Portuguese. So what I want to show you is that on the next slide, you have two questions. First question, Natal Luz translates to Christmas of Lights. Why might this be an appropriate event name? Provide evidence to support your conclusion. And I've already got you started. Christmas of Lights is an appropriate name for Natal Luz because, and here you're going to click and type in using evidence from the text. You can just click delete and get rid of what's highlighted there, okay? So what I wanted to show you is that to find that information, you just read right here, and it's going to give you that information. It's going to actually give you some clues, and you'll have to draw a conclusion from there, okay? So you're going to come back, and you're going to type that answer here using direct evidence from the text. In this case, a website, not really a text, but it is right here. And then on the next one, this is the second question. I'm going to go ahead and highlight it so it stands out to you. Name and describe two attractions listed on the event website. And I've already started you off with the complete sentence, capitalization, and I have punctuation there. The first attraction I explored was blank. So right here, you would click, delete, and type the name of the first attraction. I learned that, and then you would click and delete this and type what you learned. Now let me show you where you can find that. It does say two attractions. So let me go ahead and bold, underline, different color. Two attractions listed in the event website. Let me show you where that's at. So up here, it's kind of like an expository text here. And let's pretend that these are our headings. So you want to learn about an attraction. Well, you're going to click on attraction. And when you do that, these attractions come up. You can click on any two that you want. It automatically translates it for you because you clicked that button at the beginning. And you're going to tell me the title of the attraction. Mine is Book 35 Years, so I would write, the first attraction I explored was Book 35 Years, and I'm going to type what I learned. Now when I type that, I'm not typing it word for word from the website. I need to read it and then summarize what I learned, okay? So you're going to do that for two attractions on that website. When you're done, you're going to go back into the assignment, click View Assignment, and turn it in. Again, this is due today. Have fun exploring Brazil. Tomorrow, we'll explore somewhere else.